everyone, my name is Ronaldo Akit, a student of BS in Information Technology from USTP Panaon Campus. I am here to present my project proposal that will surely benefit to students from any school institutions, entitled Save Me.Student for I Am a Student. Introduction. Save Me.Student's project is a web page application, a friendly user interface with a plain GUI and simple navigators. Background study. I came up with this project based on my own experience, and I know majority of the students has already experienced it. During my high school days, I and my friends spent plenty of money to parties, buying liquors, inappropriate trip like as students, and many more for most 4 years. And then our graduation day has come, but we are not from a rich family that can sustain continuously. That day I realized I didn't know what would happen after this. I also don't know if my family is ready to spend on my college, as and I'm really an arm. We have thought that if we have saved the money we had squandered in the past, we would have been able to celebrate now, or maybe we would have saved enough money for our college to help reduce costs. I believe that these particular events will happen again to all such students anywhere in the world. So I was triggered to create a system for the good of all students, especially in our country. Way back when I was a freshman in this university USTP but in Orqueta campus, with my roommate with different courses but the same year level naming, Redin Gabrienes, Alvin Lagumbay, and Ari Mananget. We are being ambitious that if we successfully finish our course, we're going to do a celebration in our boarding house, buy a lot of foods for ourselves as a reward, and take licensure exams and other. But how can this to be effective? Well, we can't just save money to our own pocket because it's really temptatious. Solution. Save Me.Students will handle this kind of burden for every student like us. A kind of system that focuses only for beneficial of My students. Brother has finished his course but unable to take the board exam on time due to lack of funds, because we all know it is expensive. But if the system existed at that time, he might have gotten the test then. Objective. Save Me.Students is here to help the colleges and universities including secondary education campuses, where students can able to save money through to its respective offices in school. Students' money will be rolled out within the campus as a business itself. Through this, the students' money will grow and they will become a part as shareholders. Upon the role of this event to be effective, it covers the businesses within school. One of these is the canteen, which sells foods and school supplies and many more. So the main question of how it will become sustainable is already answered by the time a student registered to the institution. The student's earning can be withdrawn by the time of his or her withdrawal or graduation in school. This ideal can be served as a reward or trophy for finishing the line. Furthermore, this system will become a stepping stone towards the future of students into becoming professional. Objectives of the study: ID card with QR code reader, the QR code from your device for cardless, PHP QR code. We will use this to generate QR codes. PHP QR code detector decoder. We will use this to scan QR codes. Use case diagram. Admin will register the student, check profile, check the status, check or deposit its savings, check earnings, shop or offers, update or manage such as offers, e-wallet, and system full features. Check the e-wallet and manage student information. While student can check his or her profile, check status, check or deposit its savings, check earnings, shop or offers, and check the e-wallet. Activity diagram. Login authentication. Authenticated is admin. Admin can add student, modify or update student information, add credit, and access the activity reports, while student can also access its activity reports, use credits, use system features, access profile, and layout. Data flow diagram. The beneficiary, which is the student, will enroll the institution together with the registration of this platform. Then the deposit fee, an amount to run as business capital for students with the help of this platform within the campus. By the time the students will cross their respected school, they will get their gross income. Physical data model. Primary key in green color, foreign key in orange color. Actor table is the parent table. The foreign key in every table joins a table by referencing its primary key. Actor ID example is 2021-0001. Role example is admin or student or shop personnel. Deposits table is where the deposited money came from. It is linked to card, working money, and banking table depending for who deposits the money, either student or from the shop personnel. Withdrawn table is the record for those who withdraw from school or pay out. The working money is the progressive money and owned by students. Gantt chart. Team A members: Jonel Elicot, Queenie Paconla, Maria Queenie Saldariega. Team B: Rinaldo Akit, Redin Gabrianes. Each team possesses corresponding members for the task. In preparation and specification, Team A will do the job for 2 weeks. Team B will do the job in architecture for 1 week. In planning, Team A and B will collaborate for system planning. Team B will do the design detail and thinking for 2 weeks of duration. After a week of design detail and development, the system project will follow for 5 weeks of work, together with the test plan followed by testing and QA. While in development, the documentation in every work is done. Initiation. Project goal. Our goal is to sustain or help the future needs of students by the time they cross from their respected schools. Scope are the institutions. The project will be kicked out within this year. Join us for change. While doing the job, communicating with team members is important. Platform to use: Facebook Messenger or Zoom. Scope and limitations of the study. Since it is a web page application, it can be browsed in any browser. The study covers the development for the benefit of every institution. That would be all, and thank you for watching.